Hello and welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the corner to corner crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to make your slip knot, and for row 1, you want to chain 6. And then from the 4th chain from the hook, so this one right here, you want to put a double crochet, and then you want to do 2 more double crochets in the next 2 chains. And that's pretty easy. That's row 1, right? So go ahead and turn your work and chain 6. And we'll do just like before in the 4th chain from the hook. So this one right here, you want to do a double crochet. And then in the last 2 chains as well, do 2 more double crochets. So continuing on in row 2, you can see how you have this nice little gap right here. Right up top, insert your hook and do a slip stitch, just like so. I'll show you one more time. So insert your hook into the top loop, yarn over and pull through both, just like so. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do 3 double crochets into the same hole. So 1, 2, and 3. And that is how you do row 2. And you'll just end up continuously repeating this until you've reached your desired size according to your pattern. But let's go ahead and just do a row 3 just so we can do it again. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4th chain from the hook. There's a double crochet, and then in the other 2 chains that are left, do another double crochet. Then we'll do a slip stitch into the top of row 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets into that same hole. 1, 2, and 3, and then the top of this one. Sometimes it's hard, so just make sure that you're doing the top one and not one of the other little ones. So we'll slip stitch again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets into that same hole. 1, 2, 3. So let's say that you've reached your desired size. I will show you how to decrease as well. So we'll turn our work, just like we always do. And then in the same chain right here, so you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You want to insert your hook and slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through both. And in the next one, insert your hook and slip stitch. And that will end up, what it does is it lets you work up the side of the work. So then once we've got to that point, you chain 3, and in the same top spot, insert your hook and do your 3 double crochets. And then we'll do a slip stitch into the next one, chain 3, and do 3 double crochets. And then we'll do a slip stitch into this top one. Turn your work, and just like before, you do 3 slip stitches across the top. So insert your hook, 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, and then 3 double crochets. And then slip stitch into the top. What I like to do once I reach this point is go ahead and turn your work and do your slip stitches back across to get you to the end of the work. And then you just cut and sew in your ends, and voila, you did a corner to corner. Super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give it a like and leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what you plan to do with your corner to corner design. Also, if you feel so inclined, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope everybody has a happy crochet day.